afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks for staying with us for the last presentation of this year's RSNA. So it's really our honor to be here to give you a little bit more introduction about our company and also the products. So I'm Vicky. I'm the CFO of Shukun Technology. For a little bit more background about our company, so as we all know, we are generating more and more medical imaging data nowadays given the equipment development, and also global-wise, we are suffering from shortage of the radiologists. So that's all where our company coming from. So our mission is to empower a new area of smart healthcare by creating an AI-powered digital doctor, which will assist the human doctors to deliver much more efficient, accurate, consistent, and accessible patient care. And also, we want to provide accessible smart healthcare services to all human beings. So a little bit more introduction about our company. So we are quite young. We are founded in 2017, and with our China business headquarters in Beijing, China, and our overseas business headquarters in Singapore. So currently, we already obtained 4 NMPA Class 3 certificates in heart, in brain, and also in chest areas. And we got 4 CE MDR markings as well. So we also have a series of products currently under FDA approval. So as of today, we already adopted our products in nearly 3,000 healthcare institutions in China already. Approximately, the penetration for the top 100 hospitals is around 90%. So a little bit more introduction about our team. So our chairman, the CEO, the co-founders, they used to be the top scientists for the IBM, and I'm the CFO of the company. I used to be the banker in Merrill Lynch, and also our CTO and the marketing directors from the technology background and also the clinical background. And we do have a strong support with the top tier investors global-wise. So here is a little bit introduction about our product development milestones and also the history of the company. So since we are founded in 2017, we launched our first product, is the Coronary CTA product in 2018. So this is the first AI-powered software in China to achieve the whole from scan to report full workflow automation of the diagnosis for the CAD patients in the radiologist department in China. And then in 2019, given we already obtained the capabilities in the vessel system in heart, so we quickly break into the brain areas. So we launched our cerebral CTA products in 2019. So as of today, it's still the first in China to offer a full-path multimodality AI solution for the stroke patients from the screening stage to the diagnosis and also the following therapy selection and planning for stroke patients. So currently, our product offering in the digital brain included the non-contrast CT, cerebral CTA, as well as the CTP. And then in 2020, given the COVID situation, so we also launched our pneumonia products and also the lung nodule products in the lung area. And in last year, we launched our first MRI product for the liver diseases. So we penetrate into a new modality apart from the CT to the MRI. And in this year, we launched our digital doctor technology platform in order to provide a one-stop solution to the radiology department in the hospitals. Well, here is maybe you all are very familiar with the workflow. So previously, the traditional radiologist workflow is a long one. So after the patient got the CT scans, there is a traditional imaging post-processing workflow, and then the doctors need to identify the stenosis and also the lesions, and then will be a junior doctor to draft a report and senior doctor to review the report. So the whole process takes around like 1 hour in China, and with our product, after the patients, they got the scans from the machines, so we can process the raw DICOM image from the software provided by us. Our software can do the 3D restructuring, and also we provided the draft report to the radiologist. So nowadays, they only need to review the images processed by us, and also the draft report provided by us, and then just sign off the report. So the whole workflow only takes 3 to 5 minutes nowadays. So we will increase the efficiency and also the consistency and efficacy of the radiologists in the hospitals. So here is our deployment. So we do support the on-premise and also cloud-based deployment, and it's now smoothly embedded in the existing workflow of the radiologist department. So we can connect it to the medical equipment directly, or we can connect to the PAC system within the IT system, and our software can do the processing and also the draft report, and we can push back to the PAC system directly. So it's a very smooth workflow integration already. So here is our overview of our product portfolio. So already we have already provided a very comprehensive product offering covering all critical therapeutic areas, including the heart, the brain, the chest, the abdomen, as well as the musculoskeletal system. So as of today, we are the #1 in China in terms of the therapeutic area coverage, and we got 4 NMPA Class 3 certificates and 11 Class 2 certificates. It also ranked #1 in China, and we also got 4 CE markings already in the heart, in brain, and in chest area. And we are expecting more approvals in China, in CE, and in FDA. So in terms of the commercialization, as I mentioned before, given the shortage of the radiologists in China, so our penetration into the hospital is really quick. So we already covered around 3,000 healthcare institutions, including the hospitals, including the body checkup centers in China, and we received a strong endorsement from the KOLs in the Class 3 hospitals, which means the top tier hospitals in China. And our penetration to top 100 hospitals in China reached nearly 90%. And we also win the support from the KOLs in the top tier as a frontier in cardiovascular medicine. So we do have a strong commitment to support radiologist research in this area. And also, given that we are still a very young company and we focus really on the China market previously, but in this year we have the ambitions to expand our footprint global-wise. So we now have the partnership in Singapore, in Europe, and also we established a strong partnership with the global suppliers as well, like the Philips and GE, and also like the NVIDIA and also the IDNA. And in terms of the footprint, given that we already got the CE marks, so we have some presence in the Europe and also in the ASEAN area. So we do have the ambitions to expand to the North America area as well, given the progress in our FDA approval process. So now, let's take a little bit detailed look about the product offering from us. So first, from a digital heart product offering, so we do have a comprehensive product offering to cover the full patient journey. So at the early disease screening stage, so we have the COSIM score analysis product. Yeah, so it's currently very well welcomed by the body checkup centers in China, because from the single CT scan, we can not only do diagnosis about the lung status for the patients, we can also do the COSIM score analysis to have a early detection about the CAD diseases for the patients. And from the diagnosis stage, we have the coronary CTA products, and also we can do like the FFR and also the FAI TAG analysis. So the sensitivity and the specificity for our coronary CTA products already reached the 97% and also 93% and 97% respectively. So it's widely adopted in more than 2,000 hospitals in China already. So the performance is really good. And from our digital chest product portfolio, so we have the lung nodule detection, and also we have the the pneumonia assistant diagnosis software as well. And we do provide the follow-up function to help the doctors to really quickly compare, the disease process for the patients. And for our digital brain product portfolio, as I mentioned before, so it's a total solution for the stroke patient. So we have the NCCT product is for the triage stage for the stroke patient, and for different type of the patients, we do have a full product offering, including the cerebral CTA, the easy aspects, the score analysis, and also the CTP products. So for the stroke centers in the hospitals in China nowadays, we are the one-stop solution for them to provide, to covering the different scenarios of the different kinds of the patients. And also the sensitivity and the specificity for these products also very high, above 90%. And we published a research in the Nature Communication with the top hospital for the stroke patient in China. And for the abdomen products, we do have the liver products based on the MRI modality. So we can do the smart segmentation of the liver, and also we can do the lesion detection and diagnosis based on the LERISE standards. And we're offering a smart following app for to follow up the lesion detection. And the last but not the least, we can also do the 3D visualization for the surgery planning for the patients. So here is basically the detailed products of our company. So I will stop here to see if any questions. And also the booth for our company is located in 5140. So also welcome everyone to stop by to learn a little bit more about our company. Yep. Thanks for the today. Yep.